Do you guys think I need more lighting in this garage? Well, I do, because this side is pretty well lit. I can show you that. Boom, it turns on, it's well lit. But over here where my baby sits, there's no freaking lights, and I need more lights over here. So today we got a package from a company. So we're gonna take this out, unbox it, and I'm gonna show you what kind of lights we have, and we're gonna install them right over here so the BMW could have some more light when I'm working on it or detailing it or polishing it or anything like that. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox this. Wow, this is a massive lamp compared to those baby ones that I have right there. All right, so we have a 210 watt, 60 hertz, 1.75 max amperage, 5,000 Kelvin temperature range, basic wiring, power ground, and lead wire. I am curious to see what kind of lights we have in here. I'm pretty sure it's LED. But man, this thing is a hefty unit. Nice and solid, not cheap stuff. Let's see if this little cover, yes, I could see the LED strips under there. Let me take this side panel off so you guys could see for yourselves, but that is impressive. All right, so I basically just removed the two bolts and this panel slides out, and this kind of diffuses the light if you want that, or if you don't want it, you could have it just like this. So you basically have two massive LED strips which will deflect light this way. I'm super excited to actually hook this up and get it mounted over here. I think it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna mount it actually just across this way, and that should be legit. So let's go ahead and do that. Woo! Max, is that light bright as hell, or is it just me? Charlie? Look at that, guys. So I just simply connected it, power and line wire to a simple plug. Let's go ahead and mount this bad boy. Hopefully I have enough cable, because my only power plug is right up here, and I'm planning to mount it somewhere here. So I think that might be a little pickle, but let's see what we could do. All right, guys, here we are. It is fully installed. I closed the door so I could just show you the better lighting here. But pretty simple install. I just kind of swung that little provided metal wire around both sides, connection, tied it into my existing light right here since I don't have enough wiring to get there. That's pretty much it, pretty simple. Let me let these guys out. Go outside, go. Go outside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off. We have that little baby light. On camera, this looks, that baby light looks like a lot brighter than it actually is. But let me flick these on, and so you could see. Look at that light, guys. Look at how massively improved this is. And then when that one turns on, it's even brighter, but let's try to keep that off. Holy moly. I've never had this much light. Every time I would work on the car, and on this side, like if I was to do something with the wheels or whatnot, I would never be able to see the wheels or the lug nuts on this side because it'd be always so dark. Now I could see freaking everything. Look at this light, guys. This is sweet. Only thing I want to try and see is how it looks like if I take that diffuser off. All right, so let me hop up here and just slide this diffuser off so I can have a comparison of what I like better. Let me just leave it like that. And just have a look and see what I like. I mean, actually, I think with the diffuser on, it's actually better. I mean, it's very similar with the diffuser on or without. Yeah, I think the diffuser, I mean, I don't know. You guys tell me. Looking at it, it hurts the eyes without the diffuser, so I'm gonna leave it on. So I'm just gonna slide this back in. 1 second. Yeah, that is great. We'll leave it with the diffuser on. Man, guys, great quality lamp. Much better and brighter than these baby ones that I have here. I mean, the light output is day and night how much brighter this is compared to these. So I have 4 of these to light up this area, and one of those in the middle basically lights it up the same exact way. So I'll have the link in the description below for the light so you guys can check it out for yourself. They have a couple different ones that you could choose from also. So I'm gonna see if I could get one more of these and just change the whole layout here and make it look a lot better.